Hello, Granny. How are you?
I am okay, Terry. Do you guys have fun in the park?
Did you say Wang?
Molly, who taught you that?
I told you that it was wrong. Granny didn't teach us that.
There's this guy in the park we met today. He told us that's the proper way to greet someone in Shona.
No, Granny told us Mhuka dze Sango.
You are all correct, guys. Jidise also means how are you, and Wangu means colleague.
So are you saying that guy was correct?
Yes, but you only use the word Wangu when referring to your colleague, same as Jidise.
So Makadi is for elders because it shows respect, right?
That's very true, Vasukuru Wangu.
Wazukuru means grandchildren, right?
Yes, Terry. And Granny, when the guy was leaving, he said Ndakuyenda paden.
That's correct because Ndakuyenda means I am now leaving. And paden is the same as kumba or home.
Okay, Granny. But you didn't finish telling us the story.
What does Mhuka dze Sango mean, Molly?
You said Mhuka are animals and Sango is the bush or the wild.
Okay, Mundi Fungidze, and we'll finish it for you.
Okay, we'll surely remind you, because you said Mundi Fungidze means remind me.
So, do you have another one for us, Gogo? Please?
Yes, I have a very interesting one, but you guys should pay attention.
Takupa nzewe, Granny.
Terry's Shona is getting better. Takupai is we have given you, and Nzewe are ears.
Pai vepo.
Zefunde.
Inini mzukuru wangu ndane nzara ini.
Kana neni sekuru nakumbe nangu pamusha pamutema apa.
Kunoitei futi asi makarima mese.
Kwete asi ndipo pandinoenda kama mukaka.
Ine manje zvikuba handizvigone.
Regai nditsange ndaenda ini ndokuudzai zvandinenge ndaita mosvika moitawo hamubatwi.
Kana pakadaro pakanaka.
Then Tsuro milked the cow slowly without anyone noticing and got back to Gudo.
Ko wangu mukaka uripi iwe kadumbu kako kakatoti shaku kuzara.
Ndangomwira ikoko ini kule.
Saka chindiudza kuti wadii.
Ndafamba ndikasvika padanga ndiri
Izvozvo ndazviona zve.
Ndave kukama ndakandichiti inikame terere. Inikame terere.
Chete. Saka rega ndiendewo.
Granny, what does kule mean?
Kule, that's grandpa. Then it was now Gudo's turn, and he was told by Tsuro. He walked slowly to the danga.
Granny, what is danga?
Kettle's barns or sheds. Then when he reached the sheds, he started singing, Inikame, initerere. Inikame, initerere. And the noise woke the Mutema family up, and Gudo was caught and beaten for stealing.